Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is J Makeover. Today I am going to show you how to make your own mehendi cone with existing market cones without buying henna powder. This is the cone I have taken. You can take any cones, mehendi cone of your choice, and a scissor and a transparent gift paper or a bouquet paper and a cello tape, and then an inch tape you have to take. This is little thicker, so don't go for usual gift papers. I have cut this gift paper into 4 by 5 measurements. So this is 4 and the height is 5 inches. This makes the cute little cone that is very easy to handle. So you have to check on all 4 sides which has the perfect cut. If none of the 4 sides have, you must cut it again and then do it. So I see this side is very perfect, so I will show you how to do that. Just keep 2 fingers on the perfect side at the edge. 2 fingers, only 2 fingers on that. See, this is little thicker. If you go for a normal gift paper, that will come like the usual mehendi cones one, and you will not have the perfect finishing. This paper gives the perfect finishing. Okay, see, like this. Roll it and hold the front edge of the cone and keep rolling. Make it slow in the beginning. It takes lots of time and patience. Okay, it shouldn't be too tight or too loose. You have to fill the mehendi into this, the henna. See, this is the edge part. It should be at least 1 inch above the front edge. Okay, then only it means that you have rolled it correctly. I recommend 1.5 to 2 inch. If not, at least 1 inch. Don't make it very nearer to the front edge. So just sellotape it. I just saw in the window whether in the front you must not close it completely. Okay, you should leave a little space, and see in the light you will see how big the hole is. Just see through the back end and you will get to know how big the hole is. If it is too big, you have to adjust it. So I have got my desired size of the hole, so I just sticked it. Okay, so this is perfect now. Very easy to handle, hold, and weightless. So I have to fill mehendi into this. So this is market mehendi. I have to do like this, roll it like this, so that the water in one place spreads all over, and just squeeze it down from the edge almost to 2 inch. You will be able to do it very easily. Remove the pin and cut it. Now I am taking my mehendi cone, insert like this. Why I told you to leave the hole is, as soon as you fill in the mehendi, the excess air will go off. Okay, so you must leave it. You cannot think like you can cut it later. And cutting it later will not give perfect finishing. See, so you don't have to make a mess, you don't have to spill out. Just simply do it slowly. You will know how much it can hold. So I want to make only this small cone, so I am stopping it here. If you fold it like this, the folding will come out of the cone. It should not go bigger than the width of the cone. So what you have to do is fold on the sides first, and then the top, and again one more fold for the tight that doesn't come out of the cone. Okay, that's all. Just tape it. That's all. See, it's very cute, easy to handle, weightless. It comes out very nice because there is no air stuck inside. So whatever was there even in the market cone, that just gone out. See, the quality of the mehendi, you cannot change. The quality of the henna powder you cannot change. Just you can change the size and make it comfortable to hold. Okay, so I'm going to show one more. I have taken 5 by 6. Okay, again this is little bigger. Fold and hold the front edge and keep rolling slowly. So is the rolling, is it too big or small? You can get to know where the edge ends. It should end at least 1 inch above the front end. I'm seeing in the light it's little bigger, so I'm adjusting. I'm again seeing from the back edge, through the back edge of the cone. It's kind of okay now, and little more I'm adjusting, again checking. It's kind of better, so I'm doing a sellotape. So that's all. This is little bigger, that doesn't finish sooner, but still the smaller one I feel they are very easy to handle, kind of like weightless, just like feather. So this I am showing just to demonstrate one more. Whatever the width is, the height should be 1 inch more than the width. Okay, so here I squeeze the previous cone's excess things. Don't waste, don't spill out, don't make mess. It's very easy, so don't have to panic. Do it slowly. If you are, especially if you are a beginner. I need a little more because the cone is a little bigger than the previous one. So as usual, I roll, I squeeze it down and cut it. If you get a good brand mehendi cone but only the size and finishing is your problem, then you can do like this. The size will be smaller and you will get better finishing with this kind paper, gift paper. Squeeze the air out. The mehendi must be able to come out. Now I just sellotaped it. See, it's super easy now. It's thinner than the previous one. For filling and shading, it will be very easy. See, again I'm telling you, you can cut it, but I don't really recommend cutting. Okay, in the beginning itself you make your desired size of the hole. This is just show you that you can also do this. Stay tuned with J Makeover. Bye bye.